Okay, now let me explain what is it we are planning and how do you want to go about it. Your preparation for geography, okay, or any optional, okay, and this applies for GS also, okay. The type of course we have, the type of syllabus, and the type of questions which are asked in UPSC. Okay, it is pretty varied, diversified, and lot of current affair based. I think most of you don't come from the background of geography. Most don't come from the background they take as optional. This is not typical for geography, it's typical for all subjects almost. So hota kya hai that if you divide your time, the first part of the course is what we call as the foundation course. Foundation course, which is a type of a basic course. Basic course mein, what the attempt is around 85 to 90% of the syllabus is done, but very little additional enrichment. Reason being that this course itself takes around 5 months. Okay, in the offline times, in the offline classes, okay, the classes are a bit more faster. I mean, my experience tells me this. You'll see, if you ask your teachers, most will say the online takes less time because their version of online is recording. Their version of online is taught through PPTs. Have you seen? Are we using PPT alone? हम तो आपको बोर्ड में लिख रहे हैं ना. Everything I teach you, I am writing on the board. Every word I teach you is on the board here. That takes time. This is something very new we are doing at Educami. Okay, because my experience of almost 2 years of online has been this. When I'm teaching online, okay, most of them open up the PPT and keep underlining the words. उसमें पढ़ाई नहीं होती है. पढ़ाई जब होती है बेटा जब आप लिखोगे अपने नोट्स में. You write down, and you know we are interactive. You asking me doubts, okay? Some of you ask so many doubts that ultimately I have to sometimes switch off the chat also. आज मैंने किया आपके साथ में वो, ठीक है? So it takes more time. Offline classes जो होती हैं, these offline classes take about 4.5 months approximately. The online classes, my guess is 5 to 5.5 months लगेगा. It does take more time. It does take at least, okay, about 20-25% of more time it takes. ठीक है? And yet, okay, I am managing, so there is not much scope to add lot of additional things. So in support of foundation, you need what I call as the enrichment package. Enrichment package, okay, जिसमें कि हम we do additional portions. We add lot of current affairs. We add higher concepts. We add higher जैसे कि आपका geomorphology में, okay, those of you who will part the course now, in geomorphology, I have taught you Penck's model, I have taught you King's model, Davis model, and a passing reference of 1 or 2. In this sessions, we will add more concepts. We'll add something from Schwamm model. We'll add Morisawa's model. ये syllabus में नहीं है. Okay, like say I'm teaching you the currents of the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, in the Gulf Stream itself, there are more concepts. There's something called as cold wall of the Gulf Stream. Gulf Stream के साथ में भी upwelling होती है. Okay, so the lot of things that we hold back because see if I enter into those areas, फिर बेटा आपका syllabus खत्म नहीं हो सकता जो आपका base बनता है. And lot of you are struggling. Why? Because you're coming from a background that does not have geography. It takes you 2 months to get used to a subject first. That's why maybe some of you found the initial 1.5 months to be slow. It was deliberate. अगर वहां हम pace up कर देंगे, then you will be devastated. But after 1 or 2 months, okay, they can. Yes, you should study because your syllabus is vague. देखो आपके syllabus में क्या बोल रहा है? Climate change. बस. और कुछ बोला है climate change में? कितना पढ़ाना होता है, this is based on a teacher's experience, anticipation. Okay, you go to regular classes, okay, I think I was the first one to have started off discussing the evidences of climate change with no other institutes would discuss. And before 3 years, I would teach the evidences as a part of your enrichment package. अब हमने क्या किया? Enrichment के कुछ content को main course में डाल दिया. So now some of the things I was teaching here, I'm adding in your foundation course. So it's like, foundation course mein 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things are there. And this keeps on churning. Okay. In some years, I will remove this. And what I teach here, I will add this. In some years, I will add something here. So therefore, some topics must be covered less. ये जो juggling है, this juggling comes entirely from the experience. Because see, I cannot cross 5.5 months. ये higher side हो गया मेरा. I can't cross this. So it's like your October, November, December, January, February, March तक मुझे खत्म करना ही करना है. And others I'm going to finish off even earlier because you joined earlier. So this juggling, okay, में क्या होता है? The foundation course is never enough, and this is true for all subjects. अच्छा, इसके बाद you also need to know answer writing, and you also need to give your tests. If I add answer writing here, again this course can't be managed. And for answer writing, many of you are very excited. Okay, but see, if I ask you a simple question, say I talk about applied geomorphology. Some of you are awaiting. See, applied geomorphology में क्या है? How are the geomorphological principles used in say human welfare, human development? Which means you must know what are landslides. You must know what is soil liquefaction. You must know construction problems and slope modifications. You must know hill areas and cultivation there. You must know the urbanization and land modification. You must understand what is regional development and planning. You must know what is called as watershed development. ये सब आप कंबाइन करके तब आप पढ़ोगे अप्लाइड जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी. You must know what is ground water और कहां-कहां ग्राउंड वाटर होता है. You must know what are minerals and how minerals are based on geomorphology. That is why this topic I have not taught till now, because you have gaps. ये नहीं पता आपको. Urbanization अभी कुछ बचा हुआ है. Hill areas नहीं पता आपको. What is groundwater provinces आपको ये नहीं पता. How can I teach this? Plus what I have to do is I must combine all of that into a part of an answer writing. We have to combine all of that as a part of answer writing. So once I finish off this, I will teach this. ठीक है, but फिर भी आप आंसर नहीं लिख पाओगे. Why? Because you have to integrate. So this takes time. Okay, this takes time to prepare. That is why we have divided the course into these parts. There is a foundation batch, जिसमें कि आपका base cover कराएंगे. Bulk of the syllabus is done, but this course is not enough to qualify. Okay. You need enrichment, additional current affairs. बहुत सारे current affair discussions हैं. By the time you give examination next year, lot of developments would have happened on cyclones. Lot of development would have happened in land management. Lot of development would have happened in coastal area issues. The development in forest management, tribal areas. वो सब आप कब कराओगे आप? So we need to enrich it here. And then come towards answer writing and tests. So अभी बेटा आप टेस्ट के लेवल पे नहीं हो. Is it okay, all of you? That is why we have to add this. So when all of this is added, we call this as the program is integrated. ये सब आपका add हो गया. Foundation भी add हो गया, enrichment भी add हो गया, और tests भी add हो गया. The enrichment program with the tests is part of your integrated program. One thing students ask me, sir, why do we offer only foundation? Why don't we offer this also together? That's a choice we give you. Lot of people outside Delhi and who have not done the preparation, they do not know the value of this. Okay, उसमें क्या होगा? You will get discouraged कि बाकी इंस्टीट्यूट्स तो हमें 4 महीने का कोर्स दे रहे हैं, सर आप हमें 8 महीने का कोर्स क्यों दे रहे हो? All the other institutes are charging us 10 rupees. Why are you charging us 15 rupees? That's why we give you a choice. ठीक है? So आप ये join करो, and plus, you know, many of you do not know me. Many of you do not know Educami. Many of you do not know the approach in online teaching. So आप इतने पैसे एक बार में लगाओगे, okay, without knowing us, it's also not fair. That's the reason we divide it. कि ठीक है, come to us, study with us for some time, see what we do, how we deliver. If you're happy, continue with us. Not happy, it's a marketplace. You can go wherever you want to go. So irrespective of, okay, whether you want or not, this is a must. Okay, irrespective of आप examination कब देंगे, 2021 में देंगे या 22 में देंगे, this whole package is a must. Okay, and plus most of you are giving examination, okay, 2021 में. That's why we have divided the course into two parts. There is a pre-prelims part and there is a post-prelims part. Yes, enrichment GS के लिए भी होता है, correct? उसमें फिर test series आती हैं. We have to plan for that also, Vijay, ultimately. Okay, so we divide the two parts. Why? Because if I do the entire enrichment before the prelims, आपका prelims खराब हो जाएगा. And if you do the entire thing after the prelims, you do not have too much time. After prelims, you have barely about 2.5 months. That's all. ठीक है? So that is why we have to divide into two parts. So the first phase, okay, before the prelims, and second phase is after the prelims. Yeah, applied geomorphology is part of both. हम foundation में भी कराएंगे, but a lot of answer writing will get into the discussions of enrichment and test series. ठीक है? And एक और चीज, you know, when we are teaching the foundation, our emphasis is the more likely questions. ठीक है? The emphasis is what's more likely, and the additional ones we keep it separate. So आपको पूरा schedule दे दिया है हमने. If you look at the schedule, I'm sharing the screen with all of you. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. So this is the raw document that we have prepared. Okay, we'll have live sessions, recorded lectures. There'll be live lectures the way we are doing. We'll discuss some previous year's questions. We'll give you model answers. Model answers is, I think, the most important thing that we have developed. Okay, model answers are handwritten answers, proper answers which students have worked on, okay, have modified, and then we are sharing the handwritten answers. Okay, so this is the chart we have. This is the phase 1. If you look at your course, phase 1 and phase 2. Okay, phase 1 में हमारा 3 टेस्ट है. Phase 2 में we have got 4 tests. Test 1, Test 2, Test 3. These are sectional tests. Test 1 is climatology, oceanography, biogeography, environment geography. Okay. Test 2 is geomorphology, India physical, resource and environment. Test 3 is thought. I will complete these topics by then. And after prelims, we'll do these topics. अच्छा, इसमें एक चीज याद रखो, पेपर 1 comprehensive and paper 2 comprehensive, ये दो जो हैं, these will be evaluated. This third comprehensive test will not be evaluated because you don't have time before the mains. इसका हम टेस्ट दे देंगे आपको, and I will discuss the answers with you, but we will not evaluate this. Yes, the whole thing is one package. The whole thing is one package. Okay, but it is divided into two parts: pre-prelims and post-prelims. Okay, and we have options to join. You can join now. I said you have got 3 options. You can join enrichment and tests. Some of you will say, sir, we are not ready with writing, so we will do only enrichment. Others can say, we can manage writing, then you can join only the test. ये भी option है आपके पास. My suggestion is that if you are a novice, you're starting off now, join both. Join both. But if you are not confident about giving the tests, Okay, then join only enrichment. Okay, those who join only tests, you will be part of only the discussions of the test. But those who join enrichment, the only thing is you cannot give the test, but you can be part of the test discussions, and you will get all the model answers. Here also you get all the model answers. Only tests you will not get model answers. You'll only get the model answers of the test. So if there are 100 model answers plus say 15 answers of the test, this will get all the 100 plus 15. These also will get 115, and this will get only the 15 tests, or 15 answers. समझ में आ रहा all of you here? हाँ, तो that's okay, Saurav. Those who have joined the program integrated, आपको तो सब कुछ है. आपका फाउंडेशन भी है, एनरिचमेंट्स भी है और टेस्ट भी है. करेक्ट. Is this okay till here? यहां तक समझ में आ रहा all of you? All fine here? Okay, now listen. Now, those who are part of the August and September batch, so September. The first batch started September में, right? I forget. August में शुरू किया था हमने. Yes. Those who are part of August and September, you can definitely join the full program. ठीक है? Yes. But those who joined in the month of October, if you have done the geomorphology का initial part शायद miss किया है, doesn't matter. Okay? Those who have joined in the last 15-20 days, for them I will say, okay, you can skip it now, join later, or what you can do is you can skip the first test. और फर्स्ट टेस्ट को हम अगले बैच में जब लॉन्च होगा उसमें ऐड करा देंगे. You have got, see, look at the routine here. Look at the routine here. Okay. Let me show you the screen again. How this thing works. देखो, the first test is climatology, oceanography, biogeography, environment. The second test is geomorphology, India physical. Okay. So those who have joined me now recently, 10-15 days पहले, you cannot appear for climatology, and maybe you are okay with oceanography. Okay, but you can't give the test of geomorphology. So you can be selective. Okay, you give the test of what you have studied. Okay, and the topics that you have not been able to cover, you can cover those topics in tests in the next batch. Because see, ultimately आपको exam तो देना ही देना है. Okay, so this adjustment we will do. Okay, so you must talk to us. No. Comprehensive test दोनों का होगा. Comprehensive test of paper 1 भी है, comprehensive of paper 2 भी है. हाँ, discussions आप, okay, you join any course, you are part of the discussions. नहीं, MCQ नहीं है. All the tests are okay, subjective tests. All the tests are subjective tests. The tests are not MCQ based. आपको proper okay, questions होगा, आप लिखोगे. Yes. Those who have joined the integrated batch, you can leave, not a problem. You can leave. Yeah. If you joined from the beginning, then please give the January test, no? Those who have joined October में शुरू से, then join the full course, not a problem. But those who have not joined, okay, from the beginning, you probably can take up the course in the next session. You can take up the test in the next course. Current affair based discussions, yes, whatever we think is important, we will do that. So our course is starting. Our course is starting from 28th. By the way, we are also starting off with the essays batch also. ठीक है. So this is the complete schedule. अब देखो, आपका पहला क्लास जो है 28th को है. 28th को I'll start off. 29th को there is an orientation program where we'll tell you about how we will go about using the technology. There is something we have developed called as Correcto for evaluation. We will tell you about how to use that system as a part of the app that we have launched. Okay, so the first class I will teach you, okay, some topics. I'll tell you what books you need, and these are the days. Monday ko class hai, Tuesday class hai, and then the next class is on 5th Tuesday, G3. The 4th class is on Friday, then the 6th class, the 7th, and so on. आपका पहला टेस्ट जो है, this is on 26th of January. ये TG1 दिख रहा है आपको, all of you? Can you see TG1? Yeah, map work is part of foundation, Yogesh. The tests will not include maps. Maps is part of the foundation. Yeah, essay course also you can join. If you have done some bit of GS, you can join. G is geography class. ये जो G लिखा है, basically geography class है. So by the way, let me explain this to you. This is again something very unique that only we are doing and only that I have started. Okay, and slowly it has become a trend. Okay, now see, our model of teaching is that we don't surprise you with questions. We don't surprise you in the tests. ये हमारा objective नहीं है. So our test series always includes, okay, some classes, then we will give you test, and then we will have the test discussion. जो test series कह रहे हो ना, okay, the enrichment program has some classes first. Okay, I will teach you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 things, and then from this I will ask you test. From this I will ask you test. कुछ foundation में पढ़ाया होगा. From this I will ask you the test. I will teach you first, and then we'll give the test to you. So every test is supported by at least 5, 6, or 7 classes. Plus you have got 1 or 2 classes as a part of discussions. That's how I have always done for the last almost 15, 16 years. That is why every test is preceded by 7, 8 lectures first, और पूरा 2 घंटे का very intense lectures and very, very different concepts. That's what we are trying to tell you here. So your first test is here, okay, is 26th of January, but this is supported by, look, 8 classes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 classes. Okay. Then you have the test 2. Test 2 आपका यहाँ पर है, 26th of February. And this again is supported by another 8, 9 classes. Okay. Then you have the test 3, again supported by 7, 8 classes. And ये star mark जो लगाया है, if we need, generally I do need, if I do not need it, if I finish faster, फिर ये 2 class नहीं होगा. And my intention is to finish off by March, so that month of April, May, and half of June goes into your preparation for the prelims, and that's fair enough. तो आपके classes हर दिन नहीं है. Okay, I have put it approximately 2 to 3 classes a week. हर week में 2 या 3 classes हैं. देखो, 2 or 3 classes a week. All the classes are from 4 to 6 p.m. We would have mentioned this here. ये 4 to 6 p.m. all classes. ठीक है? And prelims के बाद में, then we will tell you what are the dates for the remaining tests and the classes. Fine then, that's about it. Thank you.